Today we will bake a cake with my little sister named Erin. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Hi, friends.
Hi, mga kamegs. Today we will bake a cake with my little sister named Erin.
Oh, hi, Erin.
She's 2 years old.
Hi, ka, Erin.
And I'm 6 years old.
How old are you, Erin? What you will do? What you will do?
Make a cake. Say make a cake.
We will bake a cake.
Yeah, we will. These are the ingredients. This one is
Flour, sugar, milk,
cocoa, oil, eggs, vanilla extra, and this
water, hot water. Oh, hot water.
This one is baking powder, salt,
Yeah.
and baking soda. Let's begin. Let's go. Get started, but don't forget to like and subscribe in our videos, okay?
Okay. First, we gonna put the... Si Erin dito, ikaw dyan ha. Sa... Oh, what's that?
I will do the hot
No, it's a
flour.
flour.
Flour. Let's put the flour.
Yay.
Okay, now we have to do like this.
Like this, Erin. Oh, like this. Oh, shake it, shake it.
Let's do
Put
it.
down this one. Put down. Shake it lang.
Shake
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, natatapon. Like this lang, like this. Wait, natatapon na. Wait lang, like this lang. Oh. Dito, like this. Ayan.
Ow!
Oh, ikaw, Erin.
Let's go, guys.
Oh, let's put the sugar. Meg,
Let's
put the
put
sugar.
the sugar next. Now it's my turn. We did.
Oh, see, you put the sugar. Cocoa, Erin's turn.
Yay.
What did you put?
Cocoa. How do you call it?
Salt.
Salt. It's salt.
Si ate yan, Dito ka. Oh, this one. Oh, okay. Oh.
What is that?
This is a baking powder.
Oh.
And then this is the
Hey.
baking soda. Let's put all together.
Yeah.
And then mix it up.
Let's see.
Careful ha,
Oh,
matapon.
it's so satisfying. Oh no, you're dragging me. How do you fix?
Oh no.
Stop. Oh, yay.
Like this, wait lang. Round and round lang. Meg, change kayo.
Okay,
Okay.
this is the time.
Let's put the milk. Let's put the milk.
What is the oil?
Uh-oh. Now we're gonna put the water. Break the egg. Wait lang, like that, ate. Yeah.
I have egg now.
Tissue.
Egg.
Ikaw, Erin.
I did cake. I mix it together.
Show it. See? It's
Oh,
so
we can see
yummy.
ourselves here.
Don't overmix it.
Yeah, guys, don't overmix it.
It's your turn. Little mix lang, ha? Then we will put na.
Ooh, look at it.
Finish na. Let's put it there na sa tray.
Guys, time to put it in the oven.
It's
Yeah, and then when it's done, we'll decorate it with marshmallow or
done.
chocolate. Let's put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra.
Forget to put it.
We forgot to put it, guys. Sorry.
Oh, dali. Put. Yummy yung maraming vanilla. Okay, it's done. Wait. Oh, enough na.
Oh no! No dipping!
Sit down.
Dipping. No dipping. Sit down. Let's say hide and seek. Yeah, no camera. Erin, look. Mommy! You put iron in the camera? Yummy. Yummy.
Wipe your hands.
Yeah.
Put the Mix butter.
This put mix butter. How does it look?
Uh-oh. Oh, ops. The other one. Yeah.
It's done, guys. Time to put in the oven. Baby.
Ah, bake a cake. Pata cake. Sige nga, sing ka. Louder. Nagka-try naman si Aced. Oo.
Now we are going to take away. Okay.
Oh.
Here. I'll teach this one.
Ay, Eden, huwag mo muna kainin.
Now we are going to decorate our cake. Yay!
What you will use?
I'll use this.
Oh, dali. This one, here. Faster. Kala ko ba mag-decorate, pati niit mo. Down. Sit down, Erin. Sit down. What's that? Uy! Iput mo sa cake, hindi sa mouth. Ay! Kinagat mo na. Ba yan? What's yours, Erin? Huh? What's
It's
that?
like a dessert.
Yummy? Taste na natin. Get akong slicer.
Yeah. Can you slice?
Oh, smile muna kayo. Smile. Erin.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.